Yo, what's up, guys? Back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Tropical Storm Philippe, Selma, which is down here. This is Selma right here, the one where my cursor is. Wait, no, that's not Selma. This is Selma. This is some other tropical depression that is out there that will just come up into Mexico City as a tropical storm. Not too bad, but again, it'll stay a tropical storm as it exits, comes out here, and re-strengthens. So that's one thing, but tracks could all move. This could go up and up and up and just die. Yeah. Okay, and this is the 20% chance of becoming a tropical storm as of the 11 o'clock advisory, and I will check the 12 o'clock after the video, and I'll give you guys an update tonight. I mean, it might not be tonight because I have my cousin's birthday party, and I might spend the night. I have no idea. So that all depends. But again, this is the jet stream out here, and soon as Felipe gets here, this jet stream will be like probably all the way here. So it's sort of in like a swerve motion, sort of, as it gets here. It's a pretty sloppy mess on my chart, but I'll have to fix it. Okay, on with the water vapor and everything else. Alright, so this is Composites Infrared Channel 2 loop, and again, there's Felipe right down there. There is Felipe. And as I was saying, there's that disturbance soon as this and this collide, this thing will come right back and then just stall. It will just stall right where it wants to. Again, there's Selma. Selma's just chilling in the ocean. And there's that tropical depression right there that will come up into Mexico City. So it's right here, as I said, and it's going to come up to Mexico City as of right now. Now, water vapor isn't looking too good. So it is now going up into Cuba. So this thing is, it's moving at a pretty good pace. It's moving like 10.7 miles an hour. It is gaining speed, but then that is expected to drop. This thing's just in dry, nice conditions just for it to strengthen. Warmth equals strengthening, and strengthening equals worse. Okay. Alright, so let's go here. Let's refresh this. Again, there is Felipe going there. Again, there's that system. As soon as that clashes, this thing will come right back, and then it will stall there. Now, this gives you a better view of everything. Again, there is Felipe. There's that thing, no stall. Now, let me show you something that gets me. So, look. We want wind speed. There she is. So he's gaining speed. Felipe, good boy. But watch as this thing moves up to 1 o'clock. This thing should be passing by La Habana. Again, there's that system. Now let's move it to 2 o'clock. And let's move it to 5. Again, there it is. It is passing by. And there is that disturbance right there. I think that's what it is, if I'm not mistaken. 8 o'clock. So it's just passing. Now, tomorrow, and I live in Maryland, so winds will start picking up a lot in my area. There it is. It is getting a better circulation. So it's gonna where is this storm? Alright, today, I think that is the storm. Alright, I'm sorry for the confusion. I had no idea. Now, I have one last thing to show you. There's the Chesapeake. These spaghetti models are actually getting closer and closer. And that means worse, because as it's moving up, it's been getting closer and closer. And it is expected to hit Maryland. Either way, so that is one major thing. Now, it could even go up here. In the Greenland is what most models are showing. So that's pretty bad. And look at all of these spaghetti models. Wait, I thought that was a Chesapeake. Whoops, and I'm stupid then. But yeah, models are getting closer and closer. Like, just look. You're so terrified when a model is just sitting right there. Dude, this could really be getting close. We might even luck out. Dude. Alright, so that will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini little crappy, well, no, not crappy, but just, I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!